Did you know your microwave uses the same tech that helped win World War II? Back in World War II, scientists developed radar using something called microwaves, super short radio waves, to detect enemy planes from miles away. After the war, scientists realized these waves could also heat food by exciting water molecules. Legend says a scientist accidentally melted a chocolate bar near radar gear. And boom! The microwave oven was born. So every time you reheat pizza, you're literally using battlefield tech.